Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ronit. In this tutorial I will show you how you can reset anyone's handset by generating a link in your Linux operating system, so watch this video till end. Now let's open terminal of our Linux operating system. Now we have to download tool from GitHub like these. And here it is already installed in my device. Now let's run this tool. And as we can see, we have lot of options here. Now we have to select first option to generate the link. And as you can see, we got this link. Now send this link to your victim, and when he will install it in his device, it will get reset and a lot more happens.